Now, in this lecture, we are going to look at the short circuit evaluation. I'll show you what short circuit evaluation is. We'll use the example from the last lecture to discuss this. That is, if high score and good credit and not student, you print eligible, else print not eligible. A person is eligible for a loan if they have a good credit and high income, and they should not be a student. One thing to note here is that the Boolean operators are short circuit. What do I mean? When the Python interpreter wants to evaluate the operators, it will start from the first argument. If this is true, the evaluation will continue to the second argument to see if it is also true. It will continue with the evaluation. However, immediately one of these arguments evaluates to false, the evaluation stops. This is how. High income equals to false, good credit equals to true. If high income, and remember high income is false and good credit. So that means it will be false and not student. Python evaluation starts at the first argument. It knows that whatever the value the others will be, it will always evaluate to false. So it stops evaluation in the first argument here. So it will stop here because high income is false. So if high income, so whatever others we have here, it will become false because of this first statement, because of and. So Python evaluation starts at the first argument. It knows that whatever the value the others will be, it will always evaluate to false. So it stops evaluation in the first argument. The expression will be false because at least one of the operands is false. This is referred to as short circuit evaluation. It is the same as the short circuit concept that is popular in electronics. The OR operator also has same concept. The same concept, we have this program, high income equals false, good credit equals to true. If high income or good credit or not student, print eligible, else print not eligible. The OR operator will evaluate to true when we have at least one true statement. This means that because we have high income equals false, it will look for another true, good credit equals to true. So that means this is true. So in other words, it will no longer be interested with what to find in the other conditions because we already have a true statement here. So this means that the interpreter will stop evaluating when we find the one true. So when the Python interpreter will start evaluation and we'll see that high income is false, it will continue evaluating till it finds a true. It will stop evaluation immediately it encounters good credit variable because it evaluates to true. The result of the entire expression will be true. So in Python, logical operators are short circuit.